Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Etsy Shop Manager. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone or computer is connected to the internet. Open your web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar, type Etsy.com and press enter. On the top right of the Etsy homepage, click Sign In. Choose a sign-in method like email, Google, Apple, or Facebook, depending on what you used when creating your Etsy account. If you sign in with email, type your email address in the email field. Then type your password in the password field carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Click the Sign In button to access your Etsy account. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Your Password and follow the reset instructions sent to your email. After signing in, look at the top right corner for your profile icon. Click your profile icon to open the account menu. In the menu, click Shop Manager to enter your seller dashboard. If you do not see Shop Manager, confirm that you are signed in to the correct account that owns the shop. If you have more than one shop, check the shop name shown in Shop Manager and switch if needed. For mobile users, open the Etsy Seller app from the App Store or Google Play. Install the app and open it once it finishes downloading. Tap Sign In on the app welcome screen. Sign in using the same method and credentials you use on the Etsy website. After signing in, allow notifications if you want updates about orders and messages. On the Shop Manager dashboard, find your orders to view new and completed sales. Go to Listings to create, edit, or renew your product listings. Open Messages to reply to customers directly from your shop account. Click Stats to check views, visits, and performance of your shop. Use Finances to review payments, fees, and monthly statements. If you are on a shared device, open your profile menu again for security. Click Sign Out when you are finished managing your shop. Next time, repeat these steps to sign in quickly and safely. If you ever have trouble, verify your email and check for browser updates or try a different browser. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.